everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I already have my Ipsy and Boxycharm PR already. This is supposed to be for the month of March. It's still April. And I got this stuff, I guess, a little bit early. So I'm going to post it, and hopefully that'll help you pick your selections of things that you want for the month of March. So if you guys want to know what I got, then as always, you know what I'm about to say. Just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so like I said, this is my PR box for Ipsy and Boxycharm for the month of March. I'm super excited to see what I got, so we're going to get into the box. But before we get into it, you guys know I always like to introduce myself to anyone new, but I just want to show my little shirt here. It has Barbie of all races, ages, and races. It just sucks sometimes when I was sick. You can't see my whole shirt, but I love that there's all different types of Barbies on here. You can't see all of them, but we all represented on my shirt, you know? We all representing. So nevertheless, yeah, I don't know if you guys know, if you're new to my channel, you wouldn't know, but if you're not a newbie, you know I love everything Barbie themed. Like I got my little Barbie ring on. I have a Barbie necklace. I have tons of Barbie merch. Like, you know, my nickname in high school was Barbie. Still is. I still call myself Barbie. My ringtone is Barbie Girl. And I'm a Barbie girl. Hence the pink backdrop. I try to keep the pink backdrop as much as I can, except for like holidays, you know, orange for October, you know, green, red for December, but pink most of the year round. So let's get into the boxes. As we are getting into the boxes, I'll introduce myself to anyone new, because I know I still have a new channel, but welcome all, welcome new, welcome old, welcome newbies, welcome vets, the veterans who's been on my channel. Let's get into the box. So this is the Ipsy GLAM bag here. I always say I'm not one for the bags. Like, this is not doing much for me. I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be here. But I love the color. I love the pink in it. The pink and the purple I love, but it's still, I have a lot of makeup. I carry a lot of makeup on me, so these don't do anything for me. But let's see what Ipsy gave me for the month of March. Now, if you subscribe to Ipsy, if you subscribe to Boxycharm, you get to choose some of your items. Now, because, like I said, this was gifted to me, they just give you an array of things, but you get things more catered to you if you are subscribed. So, let's see what I got. So there's a little card in here, and it just says, rewrite the rules, March 2024. It says that they have a mystery bag that has a cute little puffy bag, which is kind of cute. And then, they used to tell you what you get on in the bag with the prices, but they stopped doing that a while ago. And then we're going to get into the goodies. So, like I said, I'm just going to still introduce myself while I'm doing my unboxing. So have it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Aisha. I love makeup. I love skincare. I love hair products. I love fragrances. I love anything beauty related. So if you like beauty stuff just as much as I do, show your girl some love and subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Never in a million years did I think I would even get past 2,000 subscribers, but here I am. I made a threshold. I reached 2,100 subscribers. Yay! You guys are the best. Thank you everyone who's been subscribing. Alright, so we're gonna get into the unboxing. So the first thing I got is a Shades by Shan. What is this? Is this an eyeshadow palette? Yes, it is a eyeshadow palette. I thought it was a mirror, but this is not a mirror. So, it's called Life of the Party. That I am. Alright, so that's pretty, like a nice neutral shade. I got a Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Radiant Polish Exfoliator. I've received this before, I think in Ipsy or Boxycharm before. I got a Dazzle Me Get a Grip Makeup Setting Spray. I got a Ofra Lip Gloss in Blissful. What color is this? Ooh, it looks like a neutral brown shade. I don't have any of Ofra's glosses, so can't wait to try that out. I love Ofra's highlighters. I got a Soothing Repair Toning Serum from Dermafirm. Ooh, I love the packaging. And that's all she wrote for the Ipsy Glam bag. Alright, the next thing I got is my Boxycharm that's always in an Ipsy box. We got a little pamphlet, and then we're going to see what's inside. So the first thing I see here that I'm obsessed with is we got some more brushes from, I know her from YouTube, I don't know how to pronounce, I never know how to pronounce her channel, SL Miss Glam. She has a YouTube channel. I watch her content. Her content is really cute. She's very girly, and she does like a lot of like home content, like cleaning her home and her makeup hauls, and she has the cutest twins. But I love her channel, and she has her own little makeup brush line, and her line always has like these little crystals on them. I love crystals. So I love, not crystals, I'm sorry, like the little rhinestones. I love the little rhinestones on the brushes. So excited. It's always nice to get new brushes, so can't wait to try these out. The next thing I got is a Girl Acted Fruit Superfood Sugar Face Scrub. I think I got one of these already as well. Because I've been having Boxycharm and Ipsy for a while now, so sometimes the things become repeats, but I do have this already. So whenever I have something I have already, or I know I'm not going to use, I just put it in a pile of giveaways, because you guys know I love giving back to you guys. I've done tons of giveaways since I started my channel, so, you know, if I'm not going to use it, giveaway pile it goes. The next thing I got that I'm excited to try is the Lash Sculpt Mascara from Anastasia. And I have one of their mascaras, but this must be a new one. So I'm super excited to try this out. The next thing I got is a Defiant Beauty liquid liner. Ooh, the tip is very like small and precise. Can't wait to try that out. And then I got a palette from Wander Beauty. The colors are beautiful, I have to say. Look at this palette, guys. Ooh. Ah. Very, very pretty. I can't wait to try this palette out. I will say, the indie brands do not sleep on their palettes, because I got a lot of indie brand eyeshadow palettes, and sometimes they come out way better than the name brand palettes. I'm just saying. Just saying. This is a pamphlet that I got from Boxycharm. And it has like the insider pics. So I was hoping I was going to get the Glow Recipe. It says Strawberry Pore Smoothing Drops. I was hoping for that. But, you know, like I said, we don't get to pick. We get what we get. Beggars can't be choosers. I'm grateful that I was still able to get some stuff to try out. But this is, it says like some main things you could get in March picks. So, excited to try the stuff that I got. So, yes, let me know. I don't think the choice is out for March yet. I'm not sure. But let me know what you guys think about my box and what I got. And I'm going to film this right after I just got this in the mail. It's my P. Louise subscription box for, let me see, this is March, so this is for February because they're always a month behind. So this is for the month of February. I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to literally film this right after. So before you go, just make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Now we're trying to get to 2,200 subscribers. We're going to slowly creep up to that 3,000. We coming for you, 3,000 subscribers. We coming for you. Thank you guys so much for all your support. I'll see you in the next video that I'm posting right after this. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.